virtue. Men call me up at nights. Mrs. Warren was my tutor and brought me up in tights. Now I won't be your missus or precious little thing, so don't send me any flowers, cause I won't wear your ring. Well, realize your fantasy, I'll make it even wilder. I'll bring you into ecstasy, I'll even take you higher. I'll sing a song of pleasure, I'd do it all for you. But honey, that's about all I'll ever do. I'm naughty by nature, I want to be bad, and I can't remember all friends that I've had. And if I were lonely, I couldn't be glad, cause sleeping alone is so boring and sad. They say that I'm a sinner, that morally I'm lost, but really I'm the winner and your marriage is the cost. If you're happy with your marriage, your car and TV set, say you couldn't ask for more, why ain't your husband home yet? While you prepare his dinner, I'll satisfy his appetite. Just me, the sinner, fill him up with real delight. I'll sing a song of pleasure